Welcome back, everybody, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I like to post videos weekly. Today I'm going to make a grilled cheese sandwich as I knew it growing up, and to start I'm using 2 slices of processed American cheese. Now before you go in on me in the comment section, you have to admit, you know this grilled cheese, you grew up with it. But anyways, I'm also going to be using sliced white bread, again, nothing fancy here. You definitely can use the type of bread of your choice, but I'm just trying to show you what I grew up with, and this is very basic. So I'm also going to be using butter. Now, if I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, growing up, we had a big tub of margarine that we used, and that is exactly what we used on grilled cheese. So this is your basic grilled cheese starter kit. So before I cook them, I like to preheat the pan I'm going to make them in. And I am using a cast iron skillet, and I'm going to preheat it on a medium to medium low heat, nothing on high. One thing I have learned about grilled cheese is that it doesn't matter how fast you want to make it, you've got to give it time so that it gets a chance to get that golden brown exterior. If you rush this process, it will burn. So first things first, I am going to butter one side of each slice of bread, and if you are using something with a rounded top, just make sure you butter the correct side so when you close it, it aligns. And you know what? And if you don't do that, it's not going to ruin the sandwich. I'm just giving you a tip. So I'm going to butter it all the way to the edges, even if it kind of goes over the edges. That is going to toast as well and give you extra crunch and toastiness. So now I'm going to put that right in my preheated cast iron skillet, and both slices fit comfortably in this pan. So I'm just going to put them both down. Then I'm going to add my cheese. Now that my cheese is added, I am going to close the sandwich, and now I'm just going to carefully bring it to a golden brown toasty exterior. And again, do not be in a hurry. You want to make sure you take your time to achieve that golden brown toasty exterior. And if you get impatient and turn the heat on high, just know that you will probably burn it before the cheese gets to melt. Now, another thing I do remember some family members would do when they would make grilled cheese is that they would press it down and smash the bread. So if you are one of those that enjoys that, go for it. Mash away. So my grilled cheese looks exactly where I want it to be. It is the color and the texture of golden brown and crunchy. So now it's time to eat. Now you can let it cool, or you can go beast mode and dive right in. Say what you will about this grilled cheese, but I like it. So right now I'm going to up the ante on my grilled cheese game and give you another variation. I'm going to use 2 slices of sourdough bread. Again, I'm going to butter each piece of bread. I have a preheated cast iron skillet, and I'm definitely going to put my 1 bread slice down. I think 2 might not fit, so I'm just going to start with 1. And give that a head start. And just a reminder, I'm still working with a medium to medium low heat in a preheated pan. In my opinion, that's probably your best bet for making grilled cheese. Now the cheeses I'm going to use are Vermont sharp cheddar cheese and a smoked Gouda cheese. If you want to shred it, that's probably better. I just had thick slices of deli cheese, so I just kind of ripped them apart and distributed them evenly. Now I'm going to add some pickled jalapeños for some spice and briny tang. I think all these flavors complement each other, and it's just another variation of grilled cheese. Now I have to ask, how do you like your grilled cheese sandwich? Leave comments below on your favorite combination of cheeses, breads, or condiments that you like to add to your grilled cheese. Now that this grilled cheese is done, I'm ready to try a bite. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it helpful. This definitely isn't your artisanal grilled cheese recipe, but I thought you might find it helpful to see just a basic one. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.